Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you know me, you know I love a good time. And there's no better way to have a good time than cooking up a storm in your very own outdoor kitchen. But listen, it's got to be done right. We're not talking about just throwing some burgers on a rusty old grill. We're talking about an outdoor oasis, a culinary playground where you can impress your friends and family with your mad grilling skills. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 must-haves for the ultimate outdoor kitchen. We're talking about the essentials, the game changers that will transform your backyard into a culinary haven. Trust me, these are non-negotiables if you're serious about taking your outdoor cooking to the next level. So fire up those grills, grab a cold drink, and get ready to take some notes. We're about to dive into the good stuff. First up, the heart and soul of any outdoor kitchen, the grill. I'm talking about the big kahuna, the one that gets fired up every weekend, rain or shine. Listen, if you're serious about your grilling, you need a grill that can handle the heat. And when I say heat, I mean serious heat. Forget those flimsy little grills you find at the supermarket. We're talking about a heavy-duty stainless steel beast with enough burners to cook up a feast for a crowd. You want multiple cooking zones so you can sear those steaks to perfection while slow roasting some ribs on the side. And don't even get me started on side burners. A side burner is a must-have if you're serious about sauces. You can simmer your secret barbecue sauce while the main event is sizzling away. It's all about multitasking, people. Trust me, investing in a high-quality grill is the best decision you'll ever make. It's the foundation of your outdoor kitchen, the workhorse that will be there for you through thick and thin, through backyard barbecues and family reunions. Next up, we got to talk about counter space. You can't be a grill master if you're constantly running out of room to work your magic. Now, I'm not talking about a tiny little shelf where you can barely fit a cutting board. I'm talking about expansive countertops, enough space to prep, cook, and plate your culinary masterpieces. And don't even think about skimping on the materials. We're talking about durable, weather-resistant surfaces like granite, concrete, or tile. You want countertops that can handle a little heat, a little moisture, and a lot of action. Now let's talk layout. A well-designed outdoor kitchen has dedicated areas for prepping, cooking, and serving. You don't want to be tripping over your own feet while you're trying to flip those burgers. Trust me, a little planning goes a long way in creating a functional and efficient outdoor kitchen. Remember, your countertops are your culinary battleground. Make sure you have enough space to conquer. All right, now let's talk about a game changer, the built-in sink. I know what you're thinking, Bobby. A sink? Really? Trust me on this one. A sink in your outdoor kitchen is a luxury you won't know how you lived without. No more running back and forth to the kitchen sink, dripping water all over the place. With a built-in sink, you can wash your veggies, rinse your utensils, and clean up spills without missing a beat. And let's talk materials. Stainless steel is the way to go. It's durable, easy to clean, and can withstand the elements. Plus, it looks sleek and professional. Trust me, a built-in sink is a game changer. It's all about convenience and efficiency in the great outdoors. Let's talk organization, people. A cluttered kitchen is a nightmare whether you're indoors or out. That's why you need ample storage space in your outdoor kitchen. I'm talking about weatherproof cabinets made from durable materials like stainless steel or marine-grade polymer. You want cabinets that can withstand the elements, keeping your grilling tools, serving dishes and spices dry and protected. And don't forget about drawers. Drawers are perfect for storing smaller items like cutlery, grilling gloves, and thermometers. Keep everything organized and within reach so you can focus on what really matters, cooking. Trust me, a well-organized outdoor kitchen is a joy to work in. All right, we've got the grill, the countertops, the sink, the storage. Now it's time for the fun part, the seating and dining area. Because let's face it, what's the point of cooking up a storm if you can't relax and enjoy it with friends and family? Whether you prefer a bar counter with stools for casual gatherings or a full dining table for more formal occasions, make sure you choose furniture that's both stylish and durable. We're talking about pieces that can withstand the elements and still look good after years of use. And don't forget about lighting. Ambient lighting is key for those late-night gatherings and cozy evenings under the stars. String lights, lanterns, and even some strategically placed spotlights can create a magical atmosphere in your outdoor kitchen. So there you have it, my top 5 must-haves for the ultimate outdoor kitchen. Remember, it's all about creating a space that's both functional and inviting, a place where you can cook, entertain, and relax in style. With a little planning and investment, you can transform your backyard into a culinary oasis that will be the envy of the neighborhood. Now get out there, fire up those grills, and get cooking.